Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Ride. This one is 2011 Ford Explorer. This one is my car. Look at that is the splitting, is the central arm area is my door trim. And you're pushing down like this while driving. Yeah, you can see the more getting splitting is now. I attached the picture. It's much worse. This one is I found it on the website. So other issue for the Explorer and a door trim issue is splitting top portion like this. But my one is that looks good. Nothing happened. It's the top portion, and this center area is this. So I'm gonna fix the thread and needles from my home, and then I stitching. You can see the decoration stitchings, two lines up and down. Yeah, this old one is door trim. It's much worse. I fixed the back portion like this. It's much strong, and nothing happened again. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this center area door trim. First, you need the insulation inside, like a spongy, and slightly remove the inside spongy insulation. I fill up the silicone insulator. Yeah. Once you're ready sewing needle and thread, yeah, I'm showing how to make a tie knot. Yeah, that is easy. So one turning, hold the end of the thread, and one turning like this, and then twist rolling outward 3 or 4 times like this, and then hold. Pulling the back, and then it's make a knot. It's so easy. When you're starting stitching, we needed to hide the end of the knot. So just starting, go in through follow the stitching to the outside. You can see my attached picture like this. And then you can apply the black silicone into the split area. Previously, I removed the insulation, kind of spongy from it. So you gently hold around a split area. Yeah, it's applied enough silicone like this, and then using your finger, and then push it into the mold, and then smeared around, and wipe out extra silicone. Yep, like this. And then you can keep stitching, keep sewing, go into the top next stitching, and go through the bottom of the stitching out area. You can see that attached picture. And so keep going. Each stitching is follow the keep stitching whole area. Yeah, when I make this video, I was so struggled because door trims are leather, so it's so hard to go through the using my finger. So if you guys ready to the stitching and fix the door trim, I strongly recommend using the timber. It's I'll attach the pictures, timber, and then you weeding the timber and then sewing this leather is much easier. I think so. Once you finish the stitching, you can make a knot end of the stitching area, and then end of the thread is cut it out like this, and then some extra thread is cut it out also. And then you need to also wipe out extra silicone all around the area. Look at that, it's not bad. This door trim is over 500 or 600, so expensive. So I using the just household and this thread and needle, so not bad.